about to do the craziest stuff known to mankind in about 30 seconds. The ER310's there because it's charging my FM transmitter. For some reason, it was dead. And I wasn't about to let that stop me this week. Speaker is at full volume, and I'm about to do something I can almost guarantee nobody else has ever done. Wait till I hear the other sirens. Forget it. See what that sounds like everywhere else. You can kind of hear it. I would go outside, but it's like cold as can be. Can't hear crap in here. Pretty good vibration. Nice. I might do that again at some point. Get an outside view. I just wanted to finally do that because I planned to do it like 3 weeks ago. But a power outage happened and my stupid speaker reset and would not turn back on for some reason. But I was able to do it this week, so that's cool.